So today I am getting back into binge watching my favorite vegan YouTubers. So I'm gonna put a montage in here. This is another one of my favorites. She's one of the people who got me started eating vegan food. And I like her recipes, and they're usually very easy and doable. So let me give a shout out to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Chef Mama Rosa is another one. I absolutely love her down-to-earth approach to cooking. She really knows her stuff. This is another homegirl that I love her recipes. She throws down in the kitchen too, and I just think she's so beautiful. She always has the best flavor profiles and just really good recipes, a lot of Caribbean recipes, and I just appreciate her efforts. I really like her cooking as well. And this is going to be my last one that I shout out today, but I'm telling you, I have so many more. And there is really no reason to not be inspired, because there are some folks on here doing it big, y'all. I'm telling you, with some good recipes. These are just my handful of shout outs for this time. I'm going to do another one too, because these homegirls got me together. When I first got started, I was not even planning on like going vegan, and I still don't know if that's my goal, is to go vegan, but I got so intrigued by the delicious food they were making, because I do like to cook, that I started trying out a few things. And I have several recipes on my channel of recipes that I've tried out. Some of them are inspired by other folks. Some of them I made up myself. But I mean, and it really helped me expand my repertoire around vegan cooking, to where I feel confident in the vegan kitchen. Circling around to eating more healthy, I'm revisiting a lot of what I used to watch. And I have more. I'll do another vegan YouTuber haul on another video, but I suggest you check them out. I mean, they have some good stuff. So anyway, I made some really good vegan chili, as always. You know, I'm always eating chili. But I made some really good vegan chili. This time I did black bean with corn, and I have some vegan cheese in there, and I think I have some tortillas. If not, I have crackers. And that's going to be my dinner tonight. I froze the rest of the soup that I made last night for a meal in the future. That's where I am today. Feeling a lot better today. Yesterday I had some pretty up and down time. I was just really feeling some personal challenges around different things. But anyway, the other thing I'm trying tonight is to make some granola muffins. I found this granola at Ollie's. Again, organic lemon blueberry granola. It is really good. It tastes like a cake waiting to happen. So it made me want to try making some muffins. The recipe I found that used granola was like for pumpkin granola, but I don't want to make pumpkin muffins. I want it to be vegan. So I'm going to try using organic butternut squash instead of pumpkin. And I'm using the lemon blueberry granola instead of the pumpkin flaxseed, whatever granola they used. And it's going to have some walnuts with some maple syrup to sweeten it, applesauce, and just, you know, all the other regular good stuff that goes into making muffins. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Hashtag eating healthy. Okay, these are about to be good, y'all. These are about to be good. The batter tastes good, if that's any indication of how good the muffins will be. Y'all, legit, these are beautiful. I haven't tried to take them out of the, let me see. Okay, wow, they're beautiful. I'm gonna let them cool. They look great. Breakfast tomorrow is about to be on point. Today I feel in a much better headspace. And yeah, I think that's going to be my vlog for today. Peace.